Yesterday, I spoke this episode in Hindi. Today, I shall be speaking for the people who do not understand Hindi in India as well as abroad. For those people, the same yesterday's episode, it will be talked in English for the audience, international audience and the Indian audience who do not understand Hindi. I have started a YouTube channel in the name of Jai Ho Sanatan. The purpose of this channel is not to put other religions in the lower pedal. That is not the intention. The intention is that some of the beautiful, wonderful things which are in Sanatan Dharma or Sanatan philosophy or Sanatan spirituality, those special things I shall be speaking in this channel. Jai Ho Sanatan. The name of the channel is Jai Ho Sanatan. Now, before I speak further, I shall be telling you there in Sanatan Dharma, Shivji is considered the god of destruction. And you see the photograph or the statue of Bhagwan Shiva, you will find that there is a hair in his head and there is a moon on his forehead and the color of throat has turned into blue. In Hindu Dharma or spirituality or mythology, there is a concept that Samudra Manthan happened. In Samudra Manthan, what does it mean? That the turbulence in sea, Samudra Manthan, turbulence in sea, that was conducted in Hindu mythology some years back, cannot say how many years back, but it happened. After doing Samudra Manthan, there were certain very, very important things came out of those Samudra Manthan. One of them item was poison. And these items had to be distributed among Devta and Danav, gods or devils. Out of 14 items, the last item came out was poison. Everybody had distributed among themselves according to their demand Devta took certain items, Danav took certain items, and after that, when the poison came out of the sea, Samudra Manthan, neither Devta nor Danav, means neither gods nor devils, accepted the poison. The prime condition of the Samudra Manthan was that if any item is being not taken away by either gods or devils, in that case all the 14 items will get into the sea. Samudra Manthan the purpose of Samudra Manthan will be defeated if poison is not accepted by either Devta or Danav. What happened when Lord Shiva saw this is the scenario at Samudra Manthan, then he volunteered to take the poison. And surprisingly, he did not die. The only difference it went that his throat, the color of his throat got turned into blue. We call them Nilkant, blue throat. Right? Now the question is, why did not Lord Shiva died when he took poison? Not a single person in India or abroad can explain this, I am pretty sure. The reason Shiva did not die was because of his hair, moon. What has happened that from Jata, the group of hair, something called Bhagirathi is coming out. Bhagirathi is the original place of Ma Ganga, the revered river in India. We Hindus do puja to Ganga Maiya. We don't call them Ganga river, we call them Mother Ganga Mother, Ganga Maiya. Now, and this is 2026, Ganga is still following. What does it mean? It means that if you have unlimited amount of water in your blood, it means Lord Shiva had infinite quantity of water in his body. Second thing is moon on the forehead. Moon is considered as a cooling Moon is perceived as coolness. The normal body temperature is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. A person will die when the temperature of forehead or body will get about 106 degree Fahrenheit. When the moon is on your forehead, it does not allow your brain to increase the temperature. It will remain at 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, no matter what happens. Now you have unlimited water in your body, and the temperature of forehead will never increase. In that scenario, if you take poison in your body, then the poison won't reach to your head. The whole poison will get segregated at 6 or 3 pair of glands. Poison from your body, whatever poison you take, Shiva took, it did not it could not go to head to increase the temperature of forehead. It could not. And the whole poison got segregated at the throat glands. And because of the poison segregated at glands, his throat became blue. So this is the meaning of the picture drawn by some genius. I don't know how long this picture is coming, what is the age of this picture, but the picture says what I said. Thank you. Next time I shall talk about something else. Till then, you are requested to like, share and subscribe so that I am encouraged to tell you what other people have not told you till this date. Thank you.